please get into the fucking meltdown. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this kinky curly Puerto Rican meltdown with this 26-inch unit from Isee Hair, dramatic baby hairs. Like, please stop fucking playing with her. Like, are you fucking serious? 8 the fuck down. So this hair is from Isee Hair. I'm going through and showing you all the goodies that it came with. Yes, I actually recommended this to her. When I got it, they wasn't stepping like this, but they got lashes, nails, a band, dome caps, just the whole 9 yards. Like, do you see this shit? Like, they showed their ass. So if you looking for a good curly unit, I highly recommend Isee Hair. This is not sponsored, but if y'all see this, hey, how you doing? I just put these bitches down, but we're gonna jump right into the install. Okay, I told a little fib. I'm just showing you the shedding I got after I bleached the knots and the initial hairline after bleaching. As you can see, it's very fucking beautiful. But I did go in and plug, and I recorded the whole process of that. So we're gonna watch me plug, and then we're gonna jump into the install.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here.
So now we're gonna get started with the layers of glue. I believe I did about 4 to 5 layers. I will link the glues I used down below if that's something y'all are interested in, because I started using this. I think it's called, I don't know what the fuck it's called. I'll just link it down below, goddammit. It's some glue I got off Amazon because I don't believe in paying arm and leg for fucking glue. So 5 to 4 layers, and then we're putting her under the dryer in between each layer.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So this my cousin, y'all. Miss Girl really do have a small head, but I was yanking that motherfucker. I was just yanking it. Because I was just yanking it. Yeah, I don't even know why. But this is me placing the hair, melting it into the lace, melting lace into the glue, get it together. And yeah, and then right after I do that, I cut, tie her down. Y'all know the process of it, wig and style. I don't think I need to explain too much of this. Just watch, cause the shit turn out. It's magic, I promise.
could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, and I just feel the need to say this. This is record time on me doing fucking edges. I swear. I put it on everything. When it comes to me and edges just don't work out when I'm doing other people's edges. I be there for fucking days. Because when it comes to edges, they're not twins. They be sisters. I be trying to make them at least look like fraternal twins, but sometimes they be sisters. And with this, since it was curly hair, I decided to go for using a gel versus like a mousse and a spritz, because I feel like with curly hair, you want like wetter looking edges, like slick down looking. It's curly fucking hair. It made sense. So that's how I did the fucking edges. I don't gotta explain shit to you. I'm just kidding, y'all. Anyway, so I did the edges and then we tied her down and then we were done. I think, let's see.
Side by side, you could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for sit up there and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time we're making no time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give to me, yeah.
And this is all for the video. As you can see, I ate the foot down. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more because I generally do like doing installs. Like, this is my favorite thing to do. Anyways, I gotta go. Bye. I love y'all.